How to change Thunderbird default email location. First, open Thunderbird. At the top, go to the menu bar and click Tools. From the list, select Account Settings. In the left panel, choose the email account whose data you want to move. If it's not expanded, expand it and then select Server Settings. On the right side, in the Server Settings section, scroll down until you find Local Directory. This shows the current path where your account data is stored. To change the location, click the Browse button. In the new window, navigate to the folder where you want to store your emails and set that path. Once selected, click Select Folder. And then restart Thunderbird for the changes to take effect. Now, in Thunderbird, you can see that the data is being exported to the new folder. To speed up the process, open the folder where your email data was originally stored. Select all the files, press Ctrl+X to cut them, then go to the new location. Now paste it in the new location. Click on Replace the files in the destination. And that's it, that's how you can change Thunderbird default email location.